tila nagtatago sa isang fake accounts. November 26 nang mayroong mag-post ng larawan kung saan makikita si James Reid at ilang kaibigan nila na tila nagkakasiyahan. What a lovely Friendsgiving dinner. An incredible success with great food and great conversation. Eating with like-minded people, exchanging thoughts, laughing. It's the simple things that really make for the best memories. To the fun side of adulting. Can't wait for the next one. By the way, Lauren needs her own cooking show. Let's make it happen, universe. Her pecan pies were so addicting. Caption ng nasabing nag-post ng larawan. I was actually invited. Hashtag jokes on you, lol. Hashtag 2020 na, magbago ka na. Haters who use fake accounts don't have balls. Hashtag sad life. Also, if you shit on other people, you are not my fan. No exceptions. We don't welcome hate in our house. Sunod-sunod na komento ni Nadine sa nasabing post. May isang netizen naman ang sumagot kay Nadine. Nadine, try to ask James kung meron din ba siyang balls. Hashtag desperate. Saad ng netizen. Utot mo, Blue. Sagot naman rito ng aktres.
Share, subscribe!